let's make a Chinese potato and beef Thrissur style. But there is a twist. It's a vegetarian dish. Yes, it's a vegetarian. Please subscribe my channel for interesting recipes. Let's see the whole video. Onto a pot, add the oil, fill with water, salt, a dash of oil, cover, bring to boil, in between give a quick stir and simmer for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat, strain. When it's hot, cut into two. We already cut the soya bean, still warm. Turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, salt, coconut oil, vinegar. Combine well. When you're marinating, make sure you give a nice press on the meat. Oh, no, sorry. Rest. Take a pot like this on a medium heat. Coconut oil, cinnamon stick, mace, star anise, bay leaf, fennel seed, cumin seed, black peppercorn, cardamom, cloves. Give a quick stir. The fragrance from the spices are coming out now. Garlic sliced. Ginger thinly shredded. Slit chilies. Give a quick stir. The ginger, the garlic are sauteed already. Add finely chopped onions, curry leaves. Keep stirring until the onions are soft and transparent. The onions are transparent now. Turmeric powder. Give a quick stir. Coriander powder. Chili powder. Should you stir continuously. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until the spices are cooked. The marinated beef, the soya bean. Combine well. Don't miss out to stir in between. Add a little bit more coconut oil. Combine well. Turn off the heat. The Chinese potato or Koorka, cleaned and cut into small cubes to a pressure cooker. Add the Chinese potato, water, salt, turmeric powder, combine well, turn it on. Turn off the heat. Place a skillet like this on medium heat. Add coconut oil, garlic, crushed, saute. Garlic is golden now, the fragrance are out. Add the Chinese potato, give a quick stir, add curry leaves, a dash of turmeric, chili powder, combine well. The spices are cooked now. Add the the soya bean. Combine. Check the salt. If you need little bit, add more. In my case, it's perfect. Chinese potato and the beef, the soya is already now. Turn off the heat. Chinese potato and the beef is ready. Let's try now. After eating this, if anybody tell you this is not a beef, please comment me. Please let me know. Because this is as perfect as beef. And how you eat, enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. And one more thing. If you like this recipe, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it. Your comments makes me perfect. So please, bye.